Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on. Steph, thank you guys for the follows. Welcome in. All right, we are so fucking back. Sorry about that. Sorry, I had to piss. I'm back. Who want me? Evan! Evan! Evan, my beloved! Hi! How are you? Welcome in! Alright, D, let's see what this freaking ping's gonna be like. Hi, Aaron. Hi, Edwin. Hi. Hi, Unicorn. Hello. Hi, Pinman. Hi, Freaky. Holy moly. Why did Josh get timed out? Is he begging for a timeout again? Oh my god. Thank you for the hydrate. I got you. It's Pissy Peach. Man, God forbid I have to piss, okay? Okay. Invis, my beloved. Wait, Mel gifted you a sub? Oh my god, Mel! Thank you! Mel, thank you for the gifted sub to Evan. Evan. Thank you! Aaron, I miss you. So, I don't think we're playing comp tonight. I don't know what happened. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. Hi, Sai, how are you? Right, I hope everyone's here. It looks like Kenzo's AFK. How much you want to bet? And Whiffy. Oh god. Wake up. Okay, just Kenzo. Kenzo's AFK. How much you want to bet? I just a celestial. What? When's it my turn? Teach me how to be Rocket. I don't know what I'm doing. Help me. How the games been? Games have been good. Games have been good. Today's been good. Kashama, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hi, Bex. Hi. Dude, Toast hates me, man. Left click only. What? What? You mean right click? Hello? What? What do you mean left click only? I can't even shoot anyone with the left click. I hate the projectile thing. Bye, Pug. Have a good night. Bye, bye, bye. Take care. Mole, mole. Okay. Oh my god. I can't even. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I haven't seen a lot of Psylocke lately. No, 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 no! Protect me! Thank you. Emma, thank you. Oh god, wait, I'm still gonna die. What the fuck is his name? Hello? Left click, 7 elims last game. What? What? Aaron, you're my goat. What the fuck? I can't even hit with the left click though. I suck. Damn, we put that shit back on. Oh my god. Hi, Brayden. Welcome back. Gary, thank you. Hi, Gary. I probably didn't even have to ult there, but that's okay. Have a good rest of stream. Bye, Pog. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You want to bounce the heals on the ground so it heals twice? Yeah, that's what they tell me, but like, I don't know why. I just have a chronic like problem of like putting things by. Oh god, like putting it by their. Oh fuck, I'm dead. Why did I go right back into the Psylocke hole? It's fine. I just like always hit body shots. I see plenty of Psylocke. Ow! Oh yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. I did a thing. Hi, Bray. Hi, Midnight. Welcome in. Baba booey. Baba booey. Stop. Psylocke was so warm. Oh, good ol', good ol'. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Go, 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 go. What the fuck is her name? Hello? I overfeed woman? What the fuck? What?